The Dean's Fellowship Program is a unique initiative that allows young and brilliant aspiring academics to become part of Habib's community, invested in its monumental mission of providing great intellectual experience to our students.
We curate a 3-year-long experience with some major components. So the first is research that goes alongside mentoring, in the sense that fellows are expected to develop a research profile with the active mentoring of a ladder faculty at Habib University. They have exclusive programmatic activities and professional development workshops that aim to cultivate, reinforce all the skills, the full set of skills they need to have to be strong applicants to terminal degrees. They're also involved in teaching, so they teach 2 courses per semester, and they can teach courses both in the liberal core curriculum of Habib as a liberal arts university, and also courses that relate to their disciplinary or thematic focus. And lastly, the fellows have community engagement opportunities so that they become actively involved in the intellectual life of Habib, and so they can gain exposure to academic culture at large.
The teaching, along with associated service component, provide Dean's Fellows a critical insight about the design, execution, and review of academic curriculum. The Dean's Fellowship Program is envisioned to strengthen the culture of contextual research and scholarship at Habib University. The success of our Dean's Fellows is critical in enabling a vibrant undergraduate research culture at Habib and in creating strong academic bonds and linkages with global educational institutes. I'm excited and look forward for young, brilliant academics to be part of Habib's Dean's Fellow program this year.